So, how to get loud with a sealed prefab. You port that bitch. So, what we got here is a $39.99 shipped from eBay prefab sealed carpeted box. I mean, it's literally not bad. Like, the carpet is all, you know, it's clean looking, you know. I already had to modify the terminal cup because, you know, it ain't fitting 8 gauge. It was like spade terminal crap. But we have a Sundown U Series 12 in it, and we just gonna send it to the moon. We're just gonna see what happens, you know. F it, you know. That's all we're gonna do with it. But then I'm gonna try to get this box as loud as possible, and it's still only costing, you know. I'm just gonna modify the box slightly and see what happens to it, and go from there. Let's see how loud we can get this $39 box for. We're just adding a couple things to it, so stick around. All right, Skipper One here in the building. I don't know what I'm doing today. I'm gonna be honest. I got a sealed prefab box from eBay, $39 shipped. I have a Sundown U12 in there, and meters in the kick, outlaw style. Sound Digital 8K, and we just gonna play around with it. We just gonna see what it do. That's all I do. Bro. I don't know nothing. All right, so let's go. Hey, 140.3, 600 watts. A little bit lower, 54. Sure. 144.3, 7,000 watts. Try this again. Sundown U. Making noise. That's what it's doing. 145.6, 3,400 watts.